The man is chopping a carrot now. He is chopping a carrot with a knife. You can see he is holding the knife in his left hand. He's holding the knife in his left hand and he's chopping the carrot. On the table, there is another carrot. There are 2 tomatoes. There is some garlic. And there is a red bowl. The red bowl is near the edge of the table. So this is the edge of the table, and the bowl is very near the edge of the table. And now an accident happens. There is an accident. Accidentally, the man knocks the red bowl off of the edge of the table. So he knocks the red ball off the table with his elbow here. This is his elbow. And accidentally, he knocks the red ball off the table with his left elbow while he is trying to chop the carrots. So the red ball falls down onto the floor, and then the red ball smashes. Psh! The red ball smashes on the floor. So the red ball smashes everywhere, and now there are many little pieces of bowl now. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 little pieces of bowl now. They are on the floor now. 19 pieces. The man is shocked. He is shocked because he had an accident, because he is shocked because he smashed the bowl. So it is time to clean up the mess, because there is a big mess now. There is a big mess on the floor, and the man needs to clean it up. So he walks into here, and in this room he has many things he can use. There is a vacuum cleaner. There is a broom here, a broom. There are 2 buckets, and there is a dustpan and brush here, a dustpan and brush. So first he takes the dustpan and the brush here. He is holding the dustpan in his left hand and the brush in his right hand. So now he's going to use the dustpan and brush to clean up the mess on the floor. There was a big mess on the floor. He is going to use the brush to sweep the mess into the dustpan. So all these little pieces, all the little pieces of bowl here, he sweeps them into the dustpan using the brush here. After he sweeps up the pieces of bowl, he uses the dustpan to put them into the bin. He puts the pieces of bowl into the bin here. So he takes the dustpan and the brush, he puts them back, and next he takes the vacuum cleaner here. So he takes the vacuum cleaner, and the vacuum cleaner here is plugged in right here. See, it is plugged in to the wall here. So the vacuum cleaner is plugged in, and now the man can use it. So he uses the vacuum cleaner, which is plugged in. He uses it to vacuum the little pieces of bowl, right? He vacuums them with the vacuum cleaner. So there are still many pieces of bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 little pieces of bowl. So he needs to vacuum all the little pieces with his vacuum cleaner. And then he puts the vacuum cleaner back and he goes to the kitchen. So he is in the kitchen. Here there is a sink here. And next to the sink there is a tap, a little tap. You can get water from the tap. So there is a sink and a tap. Above the sink and above the tap there is a cupboard here. So the man opens the cupboard and he takes a green bowl. So he needs to get a new bowl because the other bowl smashed on the floor. So he takes a green bowl and he puts the green bowl on the table. This time he does not put the bowl near the edge of the table. No, he does not put it near the edge. He puts the bowl on the other side. Not on this side, but on the other side of the table. So he puts his new bowl over here, and then he continues to chop his carrot with his knife. He continues to chop the carrot with his knife. That is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.